Hello everyone. So today I'd like to learn about how to upload videos right on your web page. It is simple and straightforward. Perhaps you want your visitors to view your tutorials, you view some videos, maybe you've written an article, but you need your users or viewers to see your videos that you're creating, the content you're creating in the form of a video. So it's very simple and straightforward when it comes to embedding a video in HTML5. So now I've created the boilerplate for you. It's just simple. I taught you how to generate this boilerplate, and just written some simple things that we're going to be looking at. And also I have these files to my left. I have two videos, 1, 2, and I have this image that I'm going to be using, and also this file I've created we are working on. So without further ado, let us get started. So in order for you now to create a video, as I mentioned earlier, that you have to just understand how tags works, how to use the tags in HTML5, then you are good to go. So we're going to be looking at these attributes, right? We're going to be using these attributes: controls, autoplay, poster, loop, and mute. And also you have to understand, to be in mind, that we have different types of video formats, right, that are supported when it comes to videos, but the most popular one is MP4, right? This is the format of a video of different types of videos we have. So today we're going to just use this extension, video extension MP4, as compared to these ones, right? So we can remove these ones. Then also let us see how now to create these particular videos. So what you have to do is, I mentioned that you have to just understand the tags and how they work. So for example, if I say video, right, so this is the tag actually used to embed or to upload a video on a web page, right, which is simple and straightforward. But now we are noticing something, because we haven't added the attributes required and the video, or the path, right, in which the video is taken from. So now let us move on. Then inside this video tag is just like a container that is going to contain our video. Then inside that container, video container, our video tag, we're going to put the video right there. So what we have to do now, we have to tell the browser the path, right, in order for it to collect that video and display it on the screen. So we need a source, right, where the video is located. So what you have to do, just you have to type this particular self-closing tag, which is source, and this one allows us to embed our video on the web page. So this is a source, right? So inside this tag, it requires two attributes that are very important. It needs a source attribute that is going to take our video where it is located, then tell the browser to display it on the browser. So in this case, I have the video named 1, right? The video which is named 1. Now if you look to your right, the browser is displayed the container, right, of the video. In other words, it's just a video, but it's not yet functional, because there are some attributes that are required for this video to play or to function well. And also, as I mentioned, that we have two attributes here. We have also type. We have to specify the type of this video, right? We know this is video, right, and it's MP4. So now we are just specifying the content we're trying to display. In this case is video. So this is the media we're trying to display on the browser. So we have to specify its video, and its extension or its format is MP4, right? So now how do we make this video play or do what we want? So there are attributes, as I mentioned. We have controls. So let us write these attributes, and also bear in mind that these attributes are not written in this source tag, are written inside the open tag of the video tag, which is the container that contains our video. So now we can say, you can just type controls, right, So now this is our video, but now we have the problem. We have typed the controls, but now our video is very large. It has covered the entire screen and we are not seeing anything, but the controls are being seen. So before we write the controls, we have to specify the height and the width of our video. So we can say width, for example, we can say 520 pixels. Then we can specify the height of our video. For example, we can just say 400 pixels. So this is the width and the height of our video. As you see, our video now is being displayed properly, and we are seeing how that is looking, right? So let me just put 5 here. So now our video is being displayed properly because we've specified the width and the height. So now let us put controls. Then when you put controls, now we see the attribute actually enables us to display the controls like the play, the pause, the minutes of the video, to see the. Okay, so now we've displayed the controls of our video. So let us play it and see how that goes, or how it plays. So if you click here, right? So that's the responsibility of controls. So if you put controls, it displays that functionality, enables users to play the video, to pause the video, to see the time, to see to control the volume of the video, which is fantastic. So let us also use another attribute, autoplay. Perhaps we don't want to click that these buttons to play. Right, so we need our video to play on its own without without us clicking the playing button. So basically that's how autoplay plays. It tells the browser to play the video. So now let us remove the controls and see how that is going to look. You see, now our video does not have the controls, but it can also play. So let us autoplay it. So that's the functionality of autoplay. Perhaps we want it to autoplay, but you don't want any sound to be produced. So what we have to do now, we have to just say muted. So now our video can play, right? Even if there is no any particular sound. So if we say that autoplay, it plays without any sound because the sound has been muted. So perhaps we want other things to happen here, right? So these are the attributes that are very important to know. Then also perhaps we don't want it to stop, want it to loop, right? If it ends, it must start again and play. If it ends, it must start again and play, which is a good functionality of this attribute, a loop, right? Then also we are left with the poster, right, which is actually displayed when the video is not playing. So we're going to put that guy there. So I have the image named poster. So just you have to say poster.png JPEG, right? So let me remove that. these attributes, and you see, so this is the image that is displayed before the video is has started playing. So for example, if I put, let us return back the controls. Right now the controls are there, so that image is just a poster. I can say it's just like a thumbnail, whereby before the video is playing, that image is displayed. When the video starts playing, the image gets removed. So it's just like a thumbnail. So let us play our video. Yeah, so basically that's how that this poster works, and is placed inside the video tag, which is the container that contains our video. So okay, let us also put another video and see how that looks. The next video. Right, let us play it. Okay, that's cool. So basically that's how we upload image videos on our web page, right? As I demonstrated, you just have to write this video tag, right? Then that inside that video tag is just like a container. Then we write this particular tag, which is a source tag, a self-closing tag. Then there are important attributes that you have to do in this particular tag. We need this source tag that takes the video where it is located and tells the browser to display it. Then we have this type, right, which demonstrates or which explains the type of media we're trying to upload on the web page. Then inside this opening tag of the video tag, which is the container, there are important attributes that you may play around with. We have the poster, which is just like a thumbnail. Before the video plays, it gets displayed. Then we have controls that displays the pause, the time, or the time of the video, how long it is, the volume, etc., full screen, right? Then we have also displayed the height of the video and the width of our video. We have autoplay if you want the video to autoplay. We have mute if you want to tell the browser to play the video but without its sound or sound associated with that particular video. And also we can talk of loop, whereby I want our video to loop when it ends, right? It must start again. When it ends, it must start again. So these are very important attributes. So basically that's how we upload images on our web page, which is very simple and straightforward. Thank you so much for watching.